Hi everyone, I'm Elajadi. Welcome to Music Greatness. This is URBN, and for today we have Let Me Love You by Mario. Sounds just like this. Okay, for this first part, I'll break down for you the intro. The song is played in the key of B flat major, and for this intro we have a simple 3-chord pattern, starting on C minor 7. Octave C for the left, E flat, G and B flat for the right. Then we're going to go up a fifth and play G minor 7, octave G, that's for the left, D, F and B flat. And the third and final chord for this intro, F major, octave F. Now 4 notes for the right, C, F, A and C again. So we're only going to use those 3 chords for the intro. Once again, we have C minor 7, G minor 7, and then F major. And in between that, we're going to add this on the right. So I'm playing octave C. I'm using my thumb and my pinky. Then went up on octave D, thumb and pinky. Then I have octave B flat, thumb and pinky. And finally, octave A, still using the thumb and the pinky. And we're going to play that just after playing F major. Here's the rhythm. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So C minor 7 for 1 measure, G minor 7 also for 1 measure, and then F major for 2 measures. And on the second measure, starting on the end of the third, we have octave C. Sorry, on the third beat, we have octave C. On the end of the third, we have octave D. Then on the fourth beat, octave B flat. And finally, on the end of the fourth beat, octave A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And for this intro, we're going to repeat from the top. So C minor 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. And then we're going to land on C minor 7 starting the verse. Let's replay this intro, slow tempo. 3, 4. Let's repeat and go a little bit faster. And that's all you need for this intro. Let's recap and replay the whole thing at full speed. And that's it for this first part. For the rest of the song, you can head over to musicgreatness.com. As always guys, thank you for watching. If you love the content, leave a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you guys next week for another URBN.